Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to lock folder in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, we need to create a folder, and that folder you can create anywhere. So now let me create here, and I can name it anything, such as I can just type my name here, and in that folder we need to create a text document. First of all, just open the folder and create here a text document. Now open this text document and enter this text which I have provided in the description, or you can check the comments as well. There I have provided this command which we need to paste here, and here we need to enter our password, which you can see this is the line we need to rename, and here I will type LLE567 because this is going to be my password, and you can type whatever password you want to type here. Once you set your password, just click on this file option and here click on save as. And this is the main thing. Here we need to first of all set this on all files, and here you can name your document anything you want. Let me type my name, and Vedlog is going to be my file name. You can just choose according to you. So once you type your file name, here we need to make sure that we need to type .bat because this is going to be BAT extension, so it is required to type .bat in the end. Once you do that, just click on save, and now we just need to close this up. Just close all this, and now we need to open the folder again, and here we need to delete the text document which we have created before. We just need to delete that, and once you do that, this is the locked folder which we are going to use. So we have to just double click on the folder, and once you do that, you will get to see that the new folder is now created, and this is going to be our lock folder where we are going to put all of those files which we need to keep locked. So just open your folder, and now you can put whatever you want to put here. So let me just put all this here. Okay, you can just choose whatever files you want to put here. So let me just put anything from download because I want to log them. So basically you just need to put all of your files which you want to log, and once you put all of your files, we are going to log this folder. So how to log? Just double click on the folder which we have created, and once you double click on the folder, this kind of pop-up will appear, and here we need to give them a command yes. So we just need to type Y and hit enter. Once you do that, you will get to see that the folder is now logged, and to open this folder again, we just need to double click on the folder, and here we need to type our password. So I have set the password LLE567 and just hit enter. So yeah, there you go, our folder is now open, and this is how you can lock your folder in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.